Alright, doing a Sentra with no doors. Look at that. Well, missing the driver's side. And the key's lost, so we're going to make a new key to it. I guess where it tells me to close the door, I just won't close it, right? Let's see how that works out. Oh, the floor's hot. Alright, just put the key in the car. Nissan, no vehicle. Sentra. 13, we're going to do keyless. Let's see, sorry about the glare. Okay, we're going to do new pin code. Success. Let's say turn it on. So we press the button, turn it on. Okay, car is on. Press OK. Turn it off. Press OK. Touch the key to the start button. It should light up. It does. The security light's blinking 5 times. That key is in. Press OK. Next key now. Unplug, blah, blah, blah. Press the buttons. Alright, we're out of here. Make sure the car starts. It doesn't start, but that's okay. Sit here for a reason, right? Security lights off, that's all we want. Actually, maybe start at one time like this. Probably a good idea. There we go. I didn't put a support on it.